guys, good morning. My cat wanna say hi to you too, guys. Say moi. Huh? What did you want, Kia? What did you want? You already ate cheese earlier. No more na, no more. No more na, Kia, okay? Yeah, okay? Yeah, okay, Kia? No. No. You're enough na, ha? Yeah. No need na, no need na. Wala naman, oh. No need na, see? No more naman. No more cheese for you, okay? Kia? You're enough na, you're enough. You're enough. Nothing naman, nothing. No more naman, no more. No more na, enough na. Enough na lang ha. No more cheese na ha. That's enough na. 2 pieces cheese is enough na. Huh? You must be sleep man earlier. You must sleep man. Dapat sleep man ka. Huh? So go down na, go down na, go down. Okay? Mama cook. We need to wash our hands a little bit. So I have something clean shirt here, clean cloth, so that every time we wash our hands, we have to wipe our wet hands. So yeah, so sometimes everyone gonna put here or here for temporarily. Yeah. So now it's waiting for the puri cheese gonna be done. Yeah, so wait for a little bit minutes and then we're gonna refill a new batch. Hi, around what time is it now right now, guys? It's kind of 4:10 a.m. So sometimes mamata ko 2 a.m. to start my cooking show. But yung auntie dugay nakamata. So yeah. So here you go, guys. We have to check our putty cheese. I think it's gonna be cooked now, right? I think so. It's so hot, guys. It's so hot. Wait. Yeah, it's cooked now. So no more leaking in the pot, in the middle. Na 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 na. Together, what a lot. Why it's so hot? I don't have holding pad, whatever it's called that. Are you okay there, guys? Because I'm okay here. Charot lang. So now, it's time to... What's this? They are stick on the molder. So guys, I'll see you a little bit later, okay? Let me finish this. Hi guys!